we are playing Flee the Facility. And I know, we haven't played this game much before, but we haven't actually played this on our channel. Oh, Aqua, let me help you. I don't think, have you ever played this game? I need to crawl. How do I crawl? Oh, there you go. Shift, yeah, I saw. What am I doing? E.
Yeah, it's a really dark map.
Okay, there we go. So I need to do something with the computers. It's called hacking.
Oh, you're the beast? Who's the beast?
I think it's Ava. It's Ava.
I'm still sick, but I'm gonna be still.
Shoot, I hacked it wrong. I hacked it wrong. I don't know if the beast is coming or not.
The beast is coming.
Really? Oh shoot. Oh shoot! Run, Ava! Aqua, run!
Oh my gosh.
You know you should.
Run. Oh no, I'm locked. I'm stuck. Help me! Ah! She knows where I am.
But still, I don't think she can get you in the locker.
Oh no. Okay, I need to run. Run. I don't think, how do we kill the beast again?
Well, you have to hack all the computers and then escape. The beast has to.
Oh no. Oh
freeze you
shoot.
in bicycles.
Oh yeah. So Aqua. I don't know, but Aqua, help me! If she capsules me, find me, whatever catches me, find me and get me out.
Eventually.
Go to the basketball court.
I don't know where that is. Oh shoot. Aqua! Ah! Oh no. I'm at the basketball court. Where are you? Aqua, where are you?
I can join.
Oh,
Join the server. Wait, am I?
Nope, someone. Oh shoot, Aqua! Help me, she's behind me. Oh no. No! She caught me!
Wait, if you spam spacebar, you can try.
She's gonna capsule me. Aqua, come find me.
I'm so sorry, dude. I am hiding.
Aqua, if you find me before I freeze, I will get up again. Oh no. If mine goes up fully, I'm stuck.
Ava, I dare you to come and catch me.
Shoot.
Ava, come and get me. Where are you?
Go find her, Ava. Ava, go find Aqua. You know you're gonna waste your time. You know.
I don't care.
Well, then you're not gonna win. If you wanna win, you're not. No, that's useless.
You're not gonna.
Guys, Aqua, please come help me.
Ooh, I see you.
No!
Take Aqua far away. Come on.
Aqua! The only person that can help me is Rayleigh Deanne Taylor, but she's not. I'm pretty sure she's AFK.
Is she AFK?
Mhm.
What?
Help me! Help!
You guys,
Please,
that
Rayleigh!
person's AFK. There's no point in playing with them.
No, she won't. I'm gonna die. I died. I am now frozen.
Can you tell them to leave?
Oh, I can't save you, Aqua. I'm out of the game.
I'm gonna die.
Where's that AFK?
Just wait. The AFK girl, I don't know, but there's a bacon here. No, Aqua. Okay, guys, I am the beast, and I'm gonna try and get all of you.
And I joined the game, but I joined
Wait, what?
too
Do I
late.
have to be in first person?
Yeah, you have to.
Shoot.
Okay, I'm gonna spectate you guys. And Circus Baby is glitching, and I'm going to you can't crawl. And I'm not gonna tell you where everyone is because that's cheating.
Yeah, don't.
Aqua's near a pod though.
E, and open this door.
Ava's hacking.
Yeah, I know that. She just said that.
Circus
Why am I
Baby-
stuck?
Circus Baby is glitching. She's stuck.
Oh no.
Where are you?
She failed to hack.
Ava.
Run over. You can use your speed.
Ah!
She crawled
How do you crawl?
I'm gonna get you.
shift, but you.
Stop running away from me. Someone else ruined their computer, huh?
I think it was Aqua. You can't go in the pod.
Aqua, where are you?
You guys, is this the end of our fate?
I'm looking around. I can't find anybody.
Hello?
Please fill up.
I'm spectating.
No, I'm stuck.
Go, 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 go! Crawl!
Shoot.
Run away!
How come? Yes. How do I take it with the string? I did. Hee, I'm gonna get her there.
Ooh, I have a computer.
Okay, so, Ava's
No!
Once again.
I need to get you. Oh, shoot.
Run!
Break! I keep taking the string off of you. No!
Go in there! She's there! Go, crawl!
Ah!
You need to crawl.
Sorry, I'm just panicking.
I'm stuck.
You have to crawl and run.
Hey! No! I'm so bad at being this. I keep on clicking multiple times. Hey!
You guys know that if you guys hack together, it's faster?
Aqua.
No. Shoot, why can't I jump? Go away, why am I stuck? I hate being beast. Where are you?
You have to hide.
I will find you guys. I will find
You
you.
know you only have 12 minutes left.
I don't care. I'll find you guys. You didn't hack any computers. Heh.
They only have one.
No, there's only 4 left. I know, so nobody's gonna
But they
win.
hacked only one.
No, they didn't. There's 4
No, they
computers.
hacked one because there's 5 computers in total.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
No.
Yes, there's 5 computers in total.
Okay.
Okay, I need to find them.
Aqua, he's hiding in the best place ever.
I'm hiding in the best place ever.
Me too.
So is Ava. Don't tell anyone. I'm spectating Ava, and Ava's also hiding in the green.
Ava's around me. Ava's around me. Yes, she is.
Yes, she's not.
Yeah, she is.
She's in the red room. She's hiding in the cupboards, but in the red room.
Ah! I'm stuck in here. Where are you? Ah! Get away. Don't you dare. Why? No, bad job. I can't find you guys.
You went to the
Because.
wrong place. Ava went somewhere else. She
Dun,
didn't-
dun, dun.
Oh, rip.
Okay, it's the computers.
I could.
Ava, you're okay?
Almost passed.
I'll find you, Ava.
Oh my gosh, you were right next to Ava. Shush, you girl.
Where? Where's Ava? Ava. I'll watch you. I'll watch for you. I'll
Okay, you
watch for
guys.
you. Where is it? Hey! No!
Guys, calm down.
I thought I was hacking. Sorry about the screen.
I got you.
I'm hacking.
Good.
No, Ava.
Is there a capsule here? No, there isn't. Okay, there's a capsule here. Shoot, I can't find a capsule. Frick! I can't find a capsule!
The pond. Wait,
Yes!
it's up to you to save her.
No, I will not let Aqua save her.
Are you like camping?
Oh, she's over there. Aqua's over there. Because she didn't do the hack right.
Aqua.
You built it.
So sorry. Help. Oh, we got there.
She's camping. She's hiding near. She's okay. Never
Hee
mind.
hee hee.
She's.
Oh
No, wait, Aqua's in there. Shoot! No! Aqua might go to,
I saw Cory.
no, I can't find it. Aqua! No, Aqua. No!
You have to close the door on her.
Ah!
You're gonna die.
I'm trying to hit her. No! Yes, Ava, die! You don't deserve to be saved. Aqua! No! Yes! I got you. I got you.
Oh, you will get revenge, girl.
No, no one can save Ava. I mean Aqua now.
Unless he wakes up.
Oh shoot, that's a bad
He
thing.
could wake up. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah! Wait, there's one more person, right? No, there isn't.
They left.
Hey, I won it!
GG.
Woo!
Great job, guys.
I received a point.
Okay,
It's
you
fun.
guys- Wait. May, you left the server.
Oh, someone just joined. Circus Baby again.
Really? Oh no, it's circus basement from the start.
Oh, really? No,
You
but she
guys-
laughed. And then I joined.
You guys come. There's a secret hiding spot. Come.
Really? Where?
Come, follow me, everyone. Come, follow me.
I can't find you.
This way. Come.
I already know where it is.
Yeah, come follow me.
Where are you going?
This way. Come here. You have to crawl. This way.
Whoa.
I can't go in.
Crawl.
Awesome.
Ooh.
Just follow me.
Oh no, we have 30 seconds.
It's okay. Here, this way. It's the wrong way. Whatever.
Oh no, I didn't take the screenshot of the beast. Someone's following us. Lucas is following us.
Look at this. No, can you guys see the screenshot of me being the beast?
Okay. Who's under me? What the hell? Okay, abandoned prison.
Wait, I have a 37% chance, so I'm most likely gonna be beast. How much is yours? You're not gonna be beast again.
Yeah, I was already beast, so. Wait, if I let go of shift.
28. What's your percentage?
Let's see. Are you beast?
I'm the beast.
Okay, good. Run! Guys, run away. Canadians there. Shoot. Ava, run!
I'm gonna get Cory.
Oh no. Guys, help me.
I know
You're
it.
fine.
Who's this?
What? No.
Ah!
Wait, there goes Ava.
Huh?
I'm gonna.
Oh shoot. Why are you in here?
Lucas?
Lucas! Ah! I'm stuck. Oh shoot. Ava, come with me.
What the heck? I thought hit you.
Wait, did you already hack this computer? Okay, I'll hack it.
Oh no, wait, no, it's already hacked.
No, it isn't. Oh,
green.
it's green. Okay. Good job,
Oh, you
Aqua.
guys, I see one of the computers.
Do not go
I see you.
Who do you see exactly? Wait, how come I can't help hack him? Oh, I am.
Hack him.
I mean, hack the computer.
know you were hacking.
You failed it. Stop it. Don't fail, person.
Maybe it was
No, I didn't do anything, and then it got failed.
Where the heck is Aqua?
I'm really bad at hacking, though.
good. You're okay. He's not close to you.
She ran away.
Okay, we're almost done with this hack.
Failed the hack.
We're almost done with this hack. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh shoot.
Close to you guys. You're good.
Yes, we did it. We did this hack. We have 3
Ran
computers left.
away?
We have 3 computers left. I'll come. Aqua, where are you though?
No, I feel like
I'm stuck. I'm
Oh
somewhere.
my gosh, she's stuck in a little area. Okay. A little area.
Why is there so many unhacked computers that are like bad?
Hi there.
No, Aqua!
No, I didn't get her.
Aqua, run away!
You got distraction, girl. Chill with the screen.
No!
Chill with the screaming. And
I need to do this.
Oh, come on, you trick.
hiding in the locker.
Oh shoot! Help me! Oh no!
Computer.
Guys, it's behind me!
I hit you. How come you didn't die?
I don't know. Help me!
Cory,
Help me!
Cory, you're okay. Oh, there's a laptop.
It's hacked already. It's hacked. Oh! Help me! Guys! Oh no! Frick!
No, I wasted it. Oh,
Come here, guys! Hack this computer! Oh shoot! He's gonna come behind me. Guys, help me!
no, it's
Ah! There's a capsule! No!
I got you.
No! Guys, come free me! Free me! I'm in the basketball court! Free me!
I'm staying.
Free me, guys! Free me! Guys, please! I don't want to die. No!
Did I get that guy? No, I didn't.
can only hack. You can only get one person at a time. So then,
No!
yes! Yes! Oh shoot! I can't run away! Run! Hack the computer, guys. Get him away and then hack the computer. Ah! Aqua, go! Oh shoot! Ah! Oh wait, Aqua's captured? Is Aqua captured?
No, I hit her. She fell asleep.
No. Wait, if Aqua goes captured, I'll go help her.
Lucas is trying to like.
Wait, guys, wait.
You! No!
What? Help me! I need to go save Aqua. Aqua, are you captured? Aqua, are you captured?
Go help Ava. Ava has the last computer.
Is Ava captured?
No, she's at the last.
No, Aqua! Okay, Aqua, I'll try and find you.
Ava has the last computer.
I'm trying to help. I'm trying to
The last computer. Ava has it.
Ava has it! No, wait, don't say that. Oh, shoot.
Ava has the
Oh, no, Canadian's gonna go get her! I don't know. Ah! He's behind me. Oh, no. Ah! Run. Oh, no. Ava, get it. I need to wake up. Wake up me. No, you aren't getting me because I'm stuck right here. Oh, shoot. No. Yes. No, but guys, help me get out of here. Everyone come help me get out and then all of you else escape. Please. Guys. Oh gosh, I'm about to die. I'm gonna die. Oh god. Oh gosh. No, I'm gonna die. Help me.
I got him.
Shoot.
Don't capture
Ava.
I got him.
Great friend, Ava. Great job.
Okay, let's go get him.
Run. Guys, go to the door. Aqua, follow us.
That's Cory. Ava.
Wait, what? How come we can't get out?
We're opening it.
We are?
Yeah.
No. Guys, I'm gonna die. Get rid of me. No. Don't let him get No. I need to get out. Guys, I have the least health. Guys, I'm almost free. Gosh, guys.
No!
He escaped. No, that's not fair. He did nothing.
No!
Wait, guys, I'm coming to escape. Wait, I'm coming. I'm going to escape. Go. Yes! Yes, we did it. We did it. Well, guys, thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun playing this game.
Really fun watching.
Yeah, and if we get, let's say,
50 likes.
50 likes, we're going to make more videos of this if you guys like.
200.
Well, let's aim for that, but hopefully at least we get 50. And make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on the bell notifications if you want to know when we post. And bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching.